Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be discussing the 2023 United Kingdom annual commemorative gold-proof coin set. This 2023 UK annual commemorative coin set is a limited edition set of coins released by the Royal Mint to commemorate an important event or person in British history. This set includes 5 coins. They are all made of 22 karat gold and each coin has a unique design. The £5 coin. This coin is an ode to King Charles III, who will celebrate his 75th birthday on the 14th of November 2023. The design that is featured on the reverse is a heraldic design by Royal Mint designer Thorne and was approved by His Majesty. The first £2 coin in the set celebrates J.R.R. Tolkien's life and his progressive work in the modern fantasy fiction. Tolkien is perhaps best known for his fantasy novels The Hobbit and the popular The Lord of the Rings. The second £2 coin, the centenary of the oldest working locomotive, the Flying Scotsman, designed by the veteran coin artist John Bergdahl. The NHS opened its doors on 5th of July 1948 and continues to provide vital healthcare to millions of people throughout the UK. This coin was designed by the Royal Mint designer Lediard to celebrate the brilliant staff and organisation. The second 50p celebrates the 75th anniversary of the symbolic ship HMT Empire Windrush, which docked at Tilbury in Essex after arriving from Jamaica on the 21st of June 1948. The ship carried 1,027 passengers, 802 of which were British subjects including men, women and children, who gave their last country of residence as somewhere in the Caribbean. Travelling to the United Kingdom hoping to start a new life, this coin marks the date of disembarkation. The Windrush Day takes place on the 22nd of June each year. This coin was designed by Valda. The obverse of this annual coin set features the first definitive coinage portrait of HM King Charles III by Jennings. Thank you for watching. For more information on these coins, please sign up to our mailing list by clicking the links below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and TikTok.